Okay, we're going to do example problem from Chapter 8 and Applications 23 on page 228 of the book. So in this case, we have firm OCS sold business equipment with a $20,000 initial cost basis and $7,315 accumulated depreciation. In each of the following cases, compute OCS recaptured ordinary income and our Section 1231 gain or loss on the sale. Okay, so our first case on number A, our amount realized in our sale was $10,000. Our adjusted basis is going to be equal to our cost of $20,000 minus our depreciation of $7,315. So our $12,685 is going to be our adjusted basis. And I am going to copy that down because that is not going to change all the way through. Okay, so our gain or loss in our first case is going to be a $2,685, and this is going to be a Section 1231 loss. Okay, because that is, we can deduct that loss, and that's where we're at with that. So our amount realized under Part B is going to be $13,000. So this results in a $315 gain. So how is this going to get classified? Is this going to be a Section 1231 gain, or is it going to be a recapture of ordinary income? Well, under our rules, we know that we have to, under Section 1231, we deducted our depreciation at ordinary income, or as an ordinary income deduction. So therefore, our gain is going to be our recaptured ordinary income to offset the amount that we had taken as depreciation expense. So that $315 is going to be ordinary income. In case C, we had a gain or realized amount of $17,500. Gives us a gain of $4,815. And again, this one is going to be a gain, is going to be recaptured ordinary income again. Remember, we have to go to, our gain is going to be classified as an ordinary gain, as ordinary income, until we recapture the full amount of depreciation that we had taken, which we're going to see happens in case D, where we have realized a price of $22,500 subtracted from our adjusted basis $12,685. Our gain or loss is $9,815. Well, how we're going to handle that is our first part is going to be our recaptured ordinary income, which is going to be the amount of depreciation we've taken. So $7,315 of that $9,815 is going to be ordinary income, and the balance is going to be our Section 1231 gain, which is taxed at a lower rate. So $2,500 is going to be our Section 1231 gain. So that's how we handle the recapture of income under our Section 1231 sales.